Are you sucking your thumb? Huh? Sucking your thumb? Daddy doesn't like you to suck your thumb. But you like to. Yeah! Did you suck the thumb? Oh, is that good? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Who's Grandma's girl? Who's Grandma's girl? Who's Grandma's girl? That's a pretty girl. Who's that pretty girl? You're so pretty. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. What's that? Your hand? Did you find that hand? Is that a good hand? That's a good hand. Oh, you got the hand. You found it. Is that good? You make the noises. You're making all the little noises. Tell Grandma a story. Girl. That's a girl.